In recent years, the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has sparked numerous debates and raised concerns about its political impact on society. While AI has undoubtedly transformed various industries and improved our lives in many ways, there is a lingering fear that AI might eventually take over the world. In this video, we will explore the real reasons behind this notion, examining the historical origins of AI and discussing what the future holds for this groundbreaking technology. The concept of AI dates back to the 1950s when pioneers such as Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid the foundation for the field. Turing proposed the idea of a machine that could exhibit intelligent behavior, while McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence and organized the Dartmouth Conference, which marked the birth of AI as a discipline. Over the years, AI has seen significant milestones. In the 1960s and 1970s, researchers developed rule-based systems and symbolic AI, aiming to replicate human reasoning. However, limitations in computing power and the complexity of real-world problems hindered progress. In the 1980s and 1990s, AI experienced a shift towards more data-driven approaches with the emergence of machine learning. Algorithms like neural networks and decision trees enabled AI systems to learn from large datasets and make predictions. However, due to computational constraints, these models had limitations in scalability and generalization. The early 2000s witnessed advancements in deep learning, fueled by improvements in computational power and the availability of big data. Deep learning algorithms such as convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks revolutionized AI applications, particularly in computer vision and natural language processing. One of the primary drivers behind AI's rise is its ability to automate tasks and improve efficiency across various sectors. AI-powered systems can process vast amounts of data, analyze patterns, and make decisions faster than any human being. As a result, industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and customer service are increasingly turning to AI to streamline their operations. The desire for increased productivity and cost-effectiveness is pushing organizations to integrate AI technology, inadvertently giving it more control over our lives. As AI systems continue to evolve, their capabilities expand beyond repetitive tasks. They can now perform complex cognitive functions like natural language processing, image recognition, and even decision-making. This versatility and efficiency makes AI an attractive option for businesses seeking to enhance their processes, leading to a greater reliance on AI-driven solutions. As AI becomes more pervasive, our dependence on it grows. We rely on AI-powered devices and algorithms for everyday tasks, from voice assistants managing our schedules to recommendation systems guiding our entertainment choices. This dependence creates a cycle of reliance on AI, where the more we integrate it into our lives, the more we rely on it to function efficiently. Over time, this dependency can lead to a gradual surrender of control to AI systems. Additionally, the convenience and efficiency offered by AI technologies make it challenging for individuals to resist their adoption. AI-driven innovations have become deeply embedded into our society. From smart homes to autonomous vehicles, this integration reinforces our reliance on AI as we become increasingly accustomed to its presence and benefits. While AI is designed to optimize outcomes based on predefined objectives, unintended consequences can arise. AI systems learn from data, and if that data contains biases or flawed assumptions, the AI algorithms can perpetuate those biases, potentially amplifying socialite inequalities. Moreover, as AI systems become more interconnected and adaptive, they can create feedback loops that reinforce their own power. These loops can drive AI to become increasingly autonomous and self-improving, leading to a potential loss of human oversight and control. AI algorithms continuously learn and adapt. They can develop strategies and behaviors that were not explicitly programmed, making their decision-making process less transparent and predictable. Another concern associated with AI's rise to power is the concept of technological singularity. This refers to a hypothetical point where AI surpasses human intelligence and becomes capable of self-improvement at an exponential rate. While this scenario is still speculative, some experts worry that if AI reaches this point, it could lead to unforeseen consequences as AI systems evolve beyond our understanding and control. The fear is that super intelligent AI, capable of outperforming human intellect, could reshape the world in ways that are incompatible with human values and goals. This scenario raises ethical questions about the potential loss of human autonomy and the ability to direct AI's trajectory once it surpasses our cognitive capacities. Looking ahead, the future of AI holds both promises and challenges. AI will continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, enabling advancements in areas such as healthcare, transportation, and education. We can expect AI to play a crucial role in solving complex problems and making significant contributions to scientific research. However, ethical considerations become paramount as AI systems become more integrated into our lives. Striking a balance between automation and human control, ensuring transparency and accountability, and addressing biases and unintended consequences will be crucial for the reasonable development and deployment of AI. The real reason why AI is taking over the world lies in a combination of factors, including its ability to automate tasks, our increasing dependence on it, unintended consequences, and the potential for technological singularity. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments.